he is like
मेरे को अभी डर लग रहा है.
You don't wanna.
हम तो थे भी नहीं वहाँ.
हमारा मुंह ब्लर कर देना.
Prem, I'm not friends with anymore because he's a Gandu. So Prem Gandu also can be his other name.
भाई सब तू भड़ास निकालने के लिए हमारे सोचा.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Ma Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Ma Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है माँ कसम भाई ताचारा रहे भाईचारा माँ कसम हुआ जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ
Welcome. Hi, Sanya. Hi.
Hello.
ये होती है energy.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Very good, Sanya. Fuck, I love the energy you came with.
Thank you.
Fantastic. What are you up to nowadays? What's going on?
Okay. No. So lots is going on actually in my life. I'm getting married
Hey!
2 weeks from now.
And you decide to come for. Wow.
Life is very sad.
Right now, what's the most chaotic thing about the wedding? Like, what's the thing that's in your head the most right now?
There's this guy who RSVP'd and added 3 children, and I didn't know he had any.
Also, he's just randomly getting children.
So on my RSVP list, I added Google form you fill, no? So on the Google form, I said spouses and children, and unfortunately, I put ... etc. So now the count, I'm like shaking. The count was, let's say the count was 100. Now because of him, it's 104, and then because of 5 more people like him, it's reaching 200.
Wow, you have summed up India in one anecdote.
Yeah.
This is-
Literally. Actually, I'll be honest, right now in the green room, I invited everyone there.
Arey!
You didn't let us?
Y'all came again, no?
Oh, good.
Y'all come.
Y'all want an invitation?
Anyone wants?
Who else
You
wants to
can
come?
be our extras.
Yeah. Varun, Kautuk, Saturday 6 p.m. crowd. You have a story for us?
Yes, I do have a story. So I think...
Hold on.
Okay.
Before
Yes.
you do your story, you have to do Ma Kasam.
Okay,
ये
okay.
सच है.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's not true.
Okay, I shapat.
Oh,
Maharashtra.
wow.
क्या बात है?
Marathi बोल. Very good.
Yeah, good.
Okay, I deserve to be here. Just keeping everything clear. Okay, so the context of this is that I grew up with a lot of toxic masculinity around me, but it wasn't
How
actually...
dare you say that?
Yeah. How horrible, yeah. But it really wasn't my dad or my chachu or anything. It was them instilling it in the girls, actually. So I was the one propagating it the most. So I think that I grew up like a little bit like a boy, stupid, dumb, idiotic, angry,
ये क्या generalization है?
brainless.
I agree.
So basically, my dad is like he benches and all. He's a big guy, all of those things. And he is muscular and everything. And he made me believe that even though I don't have the same body as him, I would be able to take anybody like a
Like
boy.
take them as in like in a fight.
Yeah. Now this is FYJC. First year junior
First year
college.
junior college.
First year junior college, right? And I am in HR college of Commerce and Economics, and it is freshers party. Okay.
Sorry, I'm Jayan.
You didn't. Hey, Sindhi Kota, both.
But you are Mirwani,
तू
na?
क्या बोल रही है?
But you are also Sindhi.
How much you got in
I'm
both?
half Sindhi.
How much you got? in
85.
both? 87. 2% more.
Well done.
87.
Sorry. HR.
What is your best of 5?
What is best of 5?
Arey.
5. 5 out of 5. What is best of 5?
No.
there are people watching this in Raipur who are like, what the fuck is this HR Jai Hind bullshit?
sorry. Anyway, yeah, bye. Okay. Anyway, so I go to this freshers party and it's lots of masti. Everyone's dancing. Everyone's having a great time. And I see this one girl who I had met earlier and we're not like very close friends or anything, but I knew who she was because of college. And she's crying. She's sobbing. She's like distraught in the club. So I went to her and I was like, hey, listen, is everything okay? What happened? And then she looks at me and she's like, that guy over there, he touched me inappropriately. And I was like, that's really fucked up. How do I make this about myself? So I was like, okay, here's what we're gonna do.
अब मैं मान गया तो आदमी की.
I was like, I'll fuck him up. I'll fuck him up. And she's like, yeah, you fuck him up. He's hurt my feelings. I'm like, okay. So I look at him, this guy in a white shirt, and I was like, he doesn't know what's coming for him. I go up to him, I pull his shirt like that, and I punch him.
Like punched him?
Punched him.
Wow.
Fully. I have punched him. In my head, it was looking very sexy. I'm sure it was like a beep, but still, okay? It was, and he was like essay light, you know, like he fell. Push. So
he
push,
fell?
he fell. He was a toothpick. So he fell. So I was like, yeah. And then he gets up, he springs up, and he punches me back. Okay?
जो क्या टूथपिक है
Yeah, fully. It was a spring. It was too good. It was like, how can she slap moment? But at the same time, he deserved to hit me. I'm on his side of the story. So I punched him. He punches me back. We have a fight has broken out, right? And full fighting is happening. Full fighting is happening. Everyone's screaming, shouting. And then one
Wait, this has now turned into a brawl.
brawl, full on brawl. There's full fighting happening, and I'm in the
You are-
center of it.
You are fighting him. He's
Him.
fighting you. Who else
And
is fighting?
his friends started also, yeah, you know, they started coming. But they were
Like,
not.
they don't know who to hit
Yeah.
yeah bouncer
They all came and, you know, see, boys just need an excuse. No, so there were 2-3 boys behind me. Even they started fighting. Any of these guys started fighting.
No context.
No context.
लड़की मैं style मारता हूँ जाके.
Yeah. Full. My boyfriend is at this party. He was standing next to the girls' bathroom waiting for me. Because I was in the girls' bathroom with that girl. But I rushed out in Tashan full. He didn't realize. Then he saw a fight has broken out. He's like, a fight has broken out. A fight has broken out. Sun is there. He knew. He knows me very well. So he's slowly walking, seeing, and I'm in the middle, like, oh, going at it. Oh, I'll kill you, I'm going at it. The bouncer picks me up and he throws me out of the club. And I'm like fuming, okay? And I'm hurt, injured, like knuckles are also hurting. What they don't tell you about punching someone is that your knuckles also hurt a lot.
Yeah,
and
I know,
it's
yeah.
miserable.
The boxing
Your hands
gloves are actually for the boxer. It's not for अरे तेरे को cushion लगेगा नहीं तेरा हाथ protect करने.
Exactly. So I was like miserable. I was like, okay, and I'm damn pissed. And my boyfriend comes out and he's like, are you stupid? And I'm like, no, I did. I was protecting the woman's right. And he's like, what's her name?
Neha.
Yeah. You're right.
It must be.
She's also Sindhi. So, Neha Sajnani was very upset, so I was protecting her. Now, Neha comes out of the club and she looks at me and she's like, babe. And I was like, you saw what I did for you, you know? Are you okay now? Now you're okay, no. Trauma gone. And she goes, you hit the wrong guy.
तूने ऐसे टूथपिक तोड़ दिया
I was like,
बेचारा उधर खड़ा है, he doesn't know.
वो बेचारा ड्रिंक पी रहा है
You know, for the first time, that gang that surrounds him, they're right.
They're right.
They're like, hey, क्यों?
I was like, excuse? What do you mean? She's like, not that guy in the white shirt, the guy Nietzsche in the white shirt. And I was like, what does that mean? And so this club has 2 levels. General level, VIP level. I don't know why I assumed the molester was VIP level. I was like, fuck. Now should I go back in? Bouncer's like, no, you can't go back in.
सॉरी गलत आदमी को पंच कर दिया एक बार प्लीज
Once more. I was like, okay, fine. And then now I'm obviously finally feeling really, really guilty about what I have done. And I go home, and obviously everyone in Bombay knows everyone in Bombay. So through the grapevine, I get the guy's information who I actually... What's your name? Kabir will call you.
Don't worry.
You're not toothpick, huh? You're very sexy, you're nothing
White
like
shirt
him.
भी पहना है.
White shirt भी पहना. So I go back, okay, to Kabir, and I'm like, I message Kabir, I get his phone number, and I'm like, hi, my name is Tanya, I'm the girl who hit you. I'm really, really, really sorry. This is what happened. This is the whole story. I hope you understand. Please forgive me. I'm like really upset. Please let me take you out for a meal or whatever, and you know, apologize in person.
पहले hit then hit on
Bichara आता है, he's got like a bruised eye, swollen jaw. It's nice meeting you.
I can only have soup.
ऐसे गर्दन में वो बांध क्या है
So I'm like, okay. He replies to me, don't swear it, bro. It's all chill. I completely understand. I was like,
What a
wow,
great
wow.
guy voice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They all sound like that.
Yeah,
Don't swear it.
bro.
It's all chill. I was like, okay, slay. I love it. You know, this is
What?
Slay. I love it. King, right here.
You have just proved that they are uncles.
Uncles. Say more words like that.
No cap.
Wow,
Like,
no
no
cap.
cap.
Yeah,
no
no
cap.
cap. I'm not
So I was like, okay, cool, thank you. And then I didn't know what to say. I want to end the conversation. So I was like, Best of luck for French, because French exam was soon. And he replies, he doesn't reply to me then. 2 days later, he has messaged me at like 1:32 a.m., which is inappropriate time to message someone you don't know, I think.
Not for Narayan Murthy.
That
वो कोई भी टाइम पे करता है.
he can do whenever.
Yeah, I heard a different NM.
Yeah. Even I heard a different NM.
Oh.
So I was like, he messages me 1:32 in the morning. He's like, you up?
Oh.
It's like,
Straight to the point.
I was like,
Actually,
"You
that's
up?"
the correct time to message you up.
It is, but see the context since you're old is that he's
No, it's true.
Kautuk is the youngest out of us, huh?
But it's also true. I have always messaged you up factually. Like,
हाँ.
कि you up
तू
right
उठा है
now?
क्या?
हाँ.
both things mean two very different
Different
things.
thing.
हाँ.
Are you awake is are you awake?
Yeah.
You up means wanna fuck.
Wanna fuck? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, how many people have you messaged?
Yeah,
saying you up?
Kautuk is just like मैंने तो बहुत लोगों को.
No wonder.
Are you a person general?
Oh,
Are
that's
you
why I
a-
lost that movie.
Bro, there are so many friendships that have ended and now I know why. So many people have not replied back.
You up? Yeah. So he messages me saying you up, and I was like a little confused. So I was like, yes, is everything okay? And he's like, drive pe chale kya? So I'm confused now. I'm like, what? I was like, what kind of BDSM are you into?
Yeah.
That this fighting with you has like, you know.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, no. Then I'm also obviously talking to like 6 of my girlfriends at the same time, right? Like now here's my screenshot.
You're messaging them, hey, you up? Listen, you won't believe what this
What
guy
they said,
said.
yeah. No. Are you awake?
Are you awake?
Are you
awake?
awake? So now one of the girls calls me and she's like, Sanu, this guy is a son.
The wrong guy that you hit.
Yeah. He is like
मेरे को अभी डर लग रहा है.
You don't wanna.
हम तो थे भी नहीं वहाँ.
हमारा मुंह ब्लर कर देना.
ये पूरी स्टोरी एक ही एंगल में रहेगी. अरे वरुण आदर को तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहे guys. वो है ही नहीं
काम
यहाँ पर.
करते हैं. ये ना घुमा देता है.
Yeah, I won't mention which.
I will stop you
I'll
right
stop there only. Yeah. So
और clues देना और देना.
So he's a son of, you know, and I was like, okay, so now I will reply nicely only.
आई शपथ मी जागली आहे मी झोपत नाही अजिबात. मी जागीच राहते तू मेसेज कर ना कधी पण. आपण बसून बातम्या करू. नो प्रॉब्लेम.
So I was like, okay, I'll just reply really blally, you know, to everything. But when you reply to a man blally, he thinks you're listening, which is another problem. Yeah, all the women are like, yeah. So it's another problem. So then I started oversharing. You know what my dadi did? You know what my nanny did?
He said, hey, you up, drive पे चले, my दादी.
Yeah.
And
I was
now
like-
he's like, fuck, introducing relatives.
Yeah,
I think.
relatives into this.
शादी तो करना पड़ेगा.
We've gone on and on and on. And finally, then one day he wants to talk and he's like, listen, you know, my family is really pressuring me. They want me to get married and all of that. And things are really serious. And I'm like, no, don't worry. We all are in the same boat. And I'm trying to like be empathetic, you know, like it's all good. Don't worry, all of us. And he goes, I feel like, you know, finally when I do get married, it'll be like to someone who gets me. And I'm like, totally. And he's like, someone who understands. I'm like, yeah, totally. And he's like, someone like you. I was like, so you know my boyfriend, he also says like this to me.
My boyfriend also wants someone like me.
Someone like me. So then after a point I was getting a bit this, so I very like casually messaged him saying, hey, listen, I really want us to continue being friends. I didn't. But I was like, I don't want to mess with him. I really want us to continue being friends. But my boyfriend has a problem with me talking to you because like, you know, it's just not right. It doesn't feel right. Oh, late in the night, 1:30 in the morning, you message and all. And my boyfriend, he hates me. He'll beat me and all. I can't.
And he's like, don't worry, मैं संभाल लूँगा उसको. सीधा साइड से बोल रहा, hello. सानिया के boyfriend को.
It's like if he's hitting you, why aren't you hitting back? Clearly you don't have a problem.
So after all of that, I was like, okay, fine. It is what it is. I sent him that message. He never replies to that message. So I'm like, okay, whatever. It's fine. It's done. About a year and a half ago, I was living abroad, so I just moved back a year and a half ago. I came and I bumped into him at a party. And I'm like, damn, this is damn awkward. Like, I don't know how to, But I was like, I'll just be chill. I'll be like, hi, how are you? And it'll be okay. And then he literally, while talking to me, he's like, so are you still with that guy or are you single now? I was like, wow.
अभी तक
I was like,
लौंडे हार नहीं
impressive.
मानते भाई.
ए, तेरे नाम ऐसे ही थोड़ी हिट हुई है.
Yeah. Really, really impressive.
Who's that one Tere Naam fan
That's Waqar Rahman for
who's
sure.
still holding on after 20?
लगने.
And welcome on stage, Antariksh Thakkar!
Guys, as you know, Antariksh is also producing this weekend a show, and he's done. He's done such a fuck all job. He's done a great job. Give it up for him. Yeah, make some noise.
Sorry, you guys are at the worst show, huh? This is the weekend. No, you guys are the worst. All good. I'm a little nervous. Some dumb shit will come out of my mouth, but bear with me. Please.
That's expected. Don't worry.
No, it's okay. All good. Yeah. Chalo, hi, ma'am. What's up?
Say individually सबको हाई नहीं बोलनी है.
Okay, fine.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, I'm Antariksh.
I'm not used to being on a podcast that gets views. That's the thing.
Why are you here? He also doesn't get views.
Oh, I guess.
Yeah, you missed Aryan, yeah, shit.
Oh, shit.
Okay,
what's
so Antariksh, tell us
Yes.
about your story.
All right. चलो. माँ कसम, ये सच है.
ये होता है producer. कुछ fraud में सीधा.
उसको पता है ना, उसको बाद में कट करना पड़ेगा और मैं
So this story is about a drunk wedding fiasco. It was my brother's wedding. And I, like an idiot, okay, when you start out doing comedy, so I'm also a comedian, like 2018 I started. And when you start out, all the comedians you start out with become your best friends. Okay? So I had like 20 best friends at the time. I invited all 20 of them. And I'm like, 10 log aayenge. All 20 fuckers showed up. I'm like,
Call 20 open micers.
yeah, exactly. Free khana deke sare pahunch jate hain sab. So they go crazy, dude. About, that's cops
That's the
showing up.
cops, yeah, guys.
Anytime the word comedian is followed by that sound.
क्या है बुला उसको?
भाई कौन है इधर DCP?
Oh,
किसका फोन था?
Such a scary anything tone to have.
Yeah.
Sorry, Antariksh, just
मम्मी का फोन है.
can you please explain why do you have that? Achha, it's an emergency tone or what?
How do you get emergency call? Police is calling. Hello, madam, सुनिए. यहाँ पर murder हो गया. Can you please come?
हाँ, Antariksh.
Yeah, so all the comedians, the 20 of them, are just getting pissed drunk. Okay, like 8 shots down, each is like 5 drinks after that. Crazy. Even like, it's a Punjabi wedding. So I'm seeing my close friends this drunk. I'm like, dude, don't go back right now. You guys are that drunk. Just come to my room. I'm staying in the groom's suite tonight. Just come to my room and you can like spend a few hours there, sober out, then we'll go.
Give this friend a name. I'm sure you don't want to dox them.
Okay, so the 3 people who will be important now, who did follow me to the room, I have decided to name them for the sake of the story. Amar, Prem and Ravina.
Wow.
Nice.
क्यों नहीं?
So there's 3 people. Amar,
Yeah.
Prem, Ravina.
Amar, Prem, Ravina. And Prem, I'm not friends with anymore because he's a Gandu. So Prem Gandu also can be his other name.
भाई ये सब तू भड़ास निकालने के लिए हमारे शो पे मत आ। तू उसको फोन करके भी गाली दे सकता है। गांडू में बात।
Hey, Gandu.
तू आ रहा है माँ कसम पे सुन तू सीजन 1 एपिसोड 14 देख 15 मिनट्स पे पॉज करके।
So anyway, the 3 of us show up in the room. I actually realistically, so Amar, Prem and Ravina. Ravina was the girl I was seeing at the time. Okay, so I was dating her. I wanted only her to come to the room. These 2 fuckers misunderstood the social cues and like also followed us to the room. So fine, we're sitting in the groom suite. Okay, we're sitting in the living room area. In the bedroom area, my brother's sleeping. He's already like drunk and passed out already. He's the groom. Next day is the wedding. Prem Gandu has sat on the single sofa and passed out immediately. Amar has sit next to me and passed out immediately also. And me and the chick are talking and we get to start making out. Okay? How it goes.
तेरा किंग क्या है भाई? भाई सोया दोस्त
So drunk, man, drunk and making out.
ये तो अमर प्रेम लग रहा है ये.
You want to get laid at your brother's wedding, That's what it is.
That's not a thing. But yeah.
I would imagine.
want to get laid at
Would
my
most
brother's
people
wedding.
want?
भाई की शादी है तो सेक्स तो.
सेक्स तो मैं ही करूंगा अपने भाई की शादी. मेरा भाई थोड़ी ना करेगा.
भाई का शादी, इसका बैचलर पार्टी, दोनों एक साथ.
So I'm making out with this chick. These two fuckers are passed out. Suddenly, I start hearing gurgling sounds from my left. Okay, and I look to my left. This guy, Amar, has started throwing up. Oh man! The thing is, he had a massive beard at the time, so all his throw up is being collected in his own beard. Okay, so horrible. I freak out like, dude, what the fuck, dude? I can't make out with this chick anymore. Like, what the hell? What? You just ruined the fucking night. What the fuck?
I like you're like, I can't make out with her anymore.
What the
Thoda
hell,
low
dude?
volume पे कर,
This
हाँ,
guy-
आराम से.
So I'm like, dude, fucking get up, man. So instead of getting up, this guy's so drunk. He literally does. He says, oh, sorry, bro. And then he falls down on the floor. Okay, and then for like a good 15 seconds, he's on the floor and throwing up, and then sitting in his own puke. Okay. And then I'm like, dude, what are you doing? Just get up and rush to the fucking washroom. He's like, oh, okay, fine. In getting up, he ricochet pukes all over the room. Okay? My brother's Sherwani, which is supposed to get married in the next day, is right there. This guy pukes all over it.
No! Bole chudiya.
Okay? I'm like, dude, what the hell? He like, oh, sorry. He goes into the washroom and he's there for the remainder of the evening. I'm like, dude, what the hell? Hearing all this commotion outside, my brother has gotten up. He comes into the living room, sees that fucking someone threw up on a Sherwani. Okay? Then sees that there's Prem Gandu, who's passed out on the sofa, thinks that, oh, it's the guy who threw up on the Sherwani and then passed out like, mast ulti aa gayi, mast. Okay? So my brother, he takes Prem Gandu's collar, gets him off the chair, starts hitting him. Okay, starts punching him in the face.
अभी खून भी जा रहा है शेरवानी पे.
Sherwani is now just a crime scene that he's wearing to
Sir
his
Jackson
wedding.
Pollock. So what are you wearing, Jackson Pollock?
Now, Prem is also very drunk. Both my brother and Prem are drunk. Prem is so drunk that he's getting hit, he's laughing. Okay, you know, like...
It's like the fucking Batman Joker scene. Where are they? You have no power over me.
So he's laughing, and when a drunk person is, say, angry at you or hitting you, and you laugh, you'd make him more angry.
angry, yeah.
Right? So my brother now is like fucking doubling down on him, hitting on different parts of the body. This guy's laughing his ass off. Okay? My brother's pissed. Now the chick I was with, she's freaking out, like, what the hell? This went south in 2 minutes. It's gone from where to where? This party's ruined.
Make
What
out to khatam ho gaya bhai.
बिल्कुल नहीं भाई अब तो नहीं तो सॉरी इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद
Freudian slip.
yeah
इसको लूप करेंगे.
no wait person I was making out with no.
अच्छा है यार.
Yeah, why not?
Open mic काम आ गए तेरे.
So my brother opens the door, okay, still roughing this guy up, opens the door, throws him into the corridor. This guy falls onto his ass into the corridor. So now Prem is on the floor and he's actually laughing his ass off, okay? My brother, seeing this, is now even angrier, kicks him in the face. I'm like, now I'm pissed out at my brother. Dude, you can't kick people in the face at your own wedding. That's the worst look possible. You want to get sued or get arrested at your own wedding? ये bride side को पता चलेगा कैसा लगेगा उन लोगों को यार. That's crazy. So I'm like, okay, fine. I tell the chick, I tell Prem, fucking you guys just leave, get out of here. So these guys leave, okay? And now I'm fighting with my brother. About 2 minutes after, like into fighting with my brother, I realize, oh wait, there's someone still stuck in the bathroom. So I'm like, okay,
Prem
fuck, now-
Amar Gandu.
Amar is still stuck in the bathroom. So now to get Amar out of the fucking washroom, I'm gonna knock on the door. Dude, open the door. I can hear some scuffling inside. He's like, dude, come on, please open the door. Okay? Then I start seeing that the handle is trying to turn. You know, it's one of those door handles where you just have to press the button, it locks, and you just twist it and it unlocks. This guy, I can see it being twisted, but this guy doesn't have enough bodily strength to twist it full. So बाहर से I can see this just...
वो हैंडल पकड़ के खुद ऐसा कर.
Yeah, exactly.
अरे खुलना नहीं है. दूसरे साइड ट्राई करो. सॉरी. मुंह से कर.
So he's just stuck in the washroom. Like, dude, how do I get this guy out of my washroom? I had to call up hotel security. Like, hey guys, there's a madman stuck in my washroom. Please open the door. These guys come, they see the puke everywhere. They're like, oh, okay, first we'll get a cleaner also. We can't work in this smell. Then they finally open, you know how they open the washroom? They also can't get it to just open. They have to dismantle the lock.
Fuck, and they enter and he's having a bath.
Bro, he's like, yeah, bro, नंगा होने की जरूरत नहीं थी इतना. So now I get this guy out. I'm like, I'm pissed off. The night is ruined. I'm completely sober. I lost the buzz. I'm like, dude, just get out, man. Get him into a cab. Just get him to leave. My brother and I are still fighting. Okay, like, dude, you can't kick people. He's like, yeah, but he threw up on my sherwani. Luckily, the sherwani turned out was in its cover. Okay.
तो बेचारा मार
हाँ. It turned out.
He just threw up on plastic technically. On the outer cover.
Outer cover of sherwani, and it hadn't reached the, you know, the hanger part has like a little hole. It hadn't reached that part also, luckily. So it was completely fine. Yeah, rough. So, but, and then, so I'm like, dude, so you hit my friend for basically no reason, dude. What the hell? My mother enters at this point, okay? Luckily, she's also drunk. This is a Punjabi wedding. Okay.
So then she throws
She
up.
throws on the sherwani.
Last time बच गया था 1 second.
Zip खोल गया. And then your brother is hitting a mob.
That wasn't funny. मेरे शेरवानी पे थूकना is not. अरे बेटा मैंने तुम्हें पाला है. Please don't hit moms.
Sorry, mom. Sorry. So my mom enters. She's also drunk. My brother narrates everything to her, but she's in a jolly mood, man. So she also takes it lightly. Oh, but and then she gets pissed that you can't hit someone. So she's on my side also, luckily. Okay. So my brother's pissed off. I tell him, dude, turns out it wasn't even the guy you hit.
तो कौन है वो? ये नंगा. अच्छा.
That's it from this episode of Makasam. Episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at tismakasam@gmail.com.